haunted hay rides, we try to make things as cheap as possible, and they have a winery there, so they had some old wine barrels that were broken, so I borrowed the slats. I drill gunned it with a little Gorilla Glue onto these pieces of wood here, and I used my leftover spray foam and some saran wrap to make a rib cage. Once this is done, Once this is done drying, what I'll do is spray paint it and faux paint it with some stuff to make it look like meat. It's not going to be the most close replica of a rib cage, but it's going to be far away and it's going to be hung up, and with the lighting I think you'll get an idea of what it is in the right scene. So I used some spray foam and then I shaved it off a little bit and some corpsing with some plastic bags and glue. After that dries a little bit, I'm going to give it a little spray of some white primer and then start adding some details, and it should be done. So I'm really making this fast. I'm doing this as a one-day project. So I don't have much time and I just want to make something really fast that will look like it. When it's hung up on the building next to a sign that says The Butcher with a big cleaver, you're going to get an idea that it's a rib cage. If you got really close to it, you would notice that it's an old wine barrel. But hey, it's free. The great foam was probably $6. That's all I used. Everything else was free. And the paint, I guess, but I had it laying around. I had a lot of stuff laying around. So if you were to buy all this stuff, it'd probably be like, let's just say $20. $20 for the whole project.